friends, I have a terrific recipe for you today. It's my Marry Me chicken, and boy is it delicious, you guys. This is a 30-minute meal and you are going to love it. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay friends, here's a quick look at all of the ingredients that I'll be using. And no worries, I'll have them all listed below. So first, after I've cleaned and washed my chicken breast, I am actually getting off the extra fat that's around it, and then I'm gonna cut all of the chicken breast in half. And then pound them down a little bit so they're a little bit flatter so they'll cook more evenly, or you can just pound them all the way out. So in my bowl, I've added all of those seasonings. I will have them separated for you so you'll know what all is in this bowl, but they are listed in the ingredients below. I stirred those up in a Ziploc bag. I added in the chicken breast, some olive oil in the seasoning, and now I'm just gonna smash it all around or zhuzh it all around my chicken so that they're all covered, and then I'm gonna let it sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes so that I can get some seasoning. So of course you guys didn't wait for anything. In my pan, I've added some flour, and I'm gonna flour the chicken breast, and then I'm gonna fry them in some olive oil. So you guys, if you have not hit the thumbs up button, please do so now. It allows YouTube to know I'm here, and guess what? It's free. Costs you absolutely nothing to do so. So in my pan, I have added the olive oil, and now I'm adding in the floured chicken breast that I have cut in half, and I'm going to brown these until there are reaches almost, I'm gonna take them out at 150 because I know they're gonna finish cooking the rest away. I just really want the chicken breast to just get some browning on them, and then I'm gonna take them out and set them to the side. So next, I have added in some butter to my pan, and I'm gonna add in the onions, the garlic, and the sun-dried tomatoes. I'm seasoning with salt and pepper, and I'm going to cook this until it's translucent and the garlic becomes a little flagrant. And then I add it in that. Next, I add in the heavy whipping cream, and I add in the chicken stock. Next, I just stir this around, and then I add in additional seasoning. I put in a little bit of chicken bouillon. I put in a little bit of pesto. You don't have to do the basil pesto if you don't want to. I added it in for a little bit more flavor. I added in a little bit of granulated garlic, a little bit of pepper, and then I'm adding in my cheeses, my Parmesan cheese and my Philadelphia cream cheese will be added in next. Okay, now you guys, I'm gonna add in a little bit of crushed red peppers. If you don't want that in there, the extra spice, don't put it in. And then I'm gonna return all the chicken to this sauce. Now I have doubled my sauce because I wanted it to be extremely creamy, and I wanted to have extra sauce for the rice. So anyway, you guys, or you don't have to do rice, you can also put it over some noodles. It's delicious over noodles as well. Anyway, I'm adding in some basil, and I'm gonna let that simmer. But of course, you guys waited for absolutely nothing. This is my Marry Me chicken, and oh my God, you guys, this is so delicious. I wanna always thank you for watching, and enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.